Hello. Problems with access to a certain resource are beginning to arise. In such situations, time is the most critical factor, and making a lightning-fast decision or even an notification delivered just in time can be the difference in maintaining your users' loyalty as an internet service provider. We present a service for monitoring uplinks, allowing you to identify such access issues for your users online without requiring specialized expertise. These issues may arise due to the connection between the provider and the internet resource, such as problems or congestion with the upstream operator, or slow performance or unavailability of the service itself. If problems are identified and localized in a timely manner, the provider can resolve them by switching to another uplink, prioritizing traffic, applying emergency policies, initiating a report to the uplink about the issues. If it is not possible to solve the issue, for example, a problem with the service itself or the inability to switch uplinks, the provider's technical support can save the time in identifying the problem and promptly inform users. Let's proceed to the setup. Before we start, we need to enable data collection. Proceed to the Administrator section of the left side menu. Go to the QoE Store Configuration section and select your QoE Store node. Click the Uplink Load Rate settings and switch the Import Uplink Load Rate from Full Flow parameter to Enable. And click Save. Then go the following way. QoE Analytics, QoE Dashboard, Widgets drag from here, the NetFlow folder, Panels, and drag the uplink monitor to the field in the middle. As you can see, the default widget contains the preset with the popular internet resources. Clicking the menu icon, you can either adjust or delete the widget. Let's tune it up. You can add another protocol clicking the plus button. You can select between more than 6,000 application protocols. It is possible to add up points to the severity indicator. Resources have varying levels of sensitivity. It's crucial to avoid even minor issues with sensitive resources. User can assign each resource a category based on its importance. The first category is for highly popular service, extremely sensitive to quality and connection interruptions. The second category is for not widely used but well-known service demanding in terms of quality, and a service that is gaining popularity but cannot yet guarantee content quality, or the content itself, which is not critically important, could be uncategorized. Here you can configure how much the traffic volume delta needs to change to impact the final score. The baseline delta values from the normal and the RTT to the subscriber for each protocol are automatically pulled in. All values can also be adjusted based on the specifics of the resource, your network, or the task at hand. Let's clear up everything and apply when everything is adjusted. Clicking the pencil icon, you can edit the name of the widget and adjust its visibility for other users of the interface. Each cell of the widget displays protocol name, traffic volume for the selected period, median RTT to subscriber, traffic delta. This is the difference between the traffic for the selected time period and the traffic from the statistics, which usually happens for the same period on the same weekday. And overall service health score, where under 4 points, good, the graph is green. Between 4 and 7 points, satisfying, the graph is yellow. From 8 up to 10 points, bad, the graph is red. The widget itself can contain up to 10 cells with different protocols. And there is no limit to the number of the widgets that can be added. For convenience, widgets can be organized by resource categories or by importance. This way, it is possible to detect issues with the service availability for users that may occur on the channel between the provider and the internet resource.